Hey guys, today we're going to make crumble cookies. First we're going to have the butter mixed with 2 kinds of sugars. Sugar and brown sugar. We're going to try mixing it with a whisk. If not, we're going to use a fork. Here's your butter and sugar. Our butter and sugars are mixed. Now it's egg time. Woo, woo! We're going to pour the eggs and mix it. We're going to pour the flour little by little. You're going to mix it just enough to be barely wet. Now we're going to pour in our chocolate chips. Here's your clumps to make the shape. Here they are. They look great. We had them in the oven at 290 degrees. Like and subscribe for more videos.